Well, several fires are still burning in Southern California as wildfire crews are preparing for another round of strong wind gusts. Meantime, Governor Gavin Newsom ordered an investigation into the loss of water pressure that disrupted firefighting efforts this week. Fox's Sunny Sai has that story.
Crews are racing to strengthen containment lines as they battle massive wildfires burning across Los Angeles. The flames have scorched more than 35,000 acres so far. Winds are expected to pick up again next week and threaten more flare-ups.
We have the absolute best, most experienced teams leading our efforts, and even with the most challenging circumstances and terrain, they have been able to deliver.
More than 150,000 people have been under evacuation orders. Others now returning to find nothing left.
It's just destroyed. It's a disaster. It's Armageddon.
Areas that escaped the flames now dealing with thick clouds of smoke and ash, prompting air quality alerts across Southern California.
Because of the smell of the smoke, we all tried to just stay inside or gather what you needed inside to go.
One estimate says the cost from these fires could reach $150 billion. President Biden has announced federal funding will cover 100% of initial costs toward debris removal, temporary shelters, and first responders' salaries.
Day after day, these firefighters have been pulling 24-hour shifts, rushing the flames with hurricane-force winds as well to rescue people.
And now, more National Guard troops are on the way to help police prevent looting in evacuation zones.
They are not going to get cited and released. They're going to get booked. We are not screwing around with this.
A nightly curfew is also in effect in parts of the county to help protect property. In Los Angeles, Sunny Sai, Fox News.